Hey guys and girls, well, we're on the road again, off on a camping adventure to Tolmie, which is just outside Mansfield. I'm on my own this weekend. I've got no mates. Well, you know how it is, it's always good fun when you go out camping. Alright, I'll show you around the camp and where we're going and the campground and all the rest of it. Might do some on-road footage as well. We'll see how we go. Alright, here we go. Bridge. It's empty, isn't it? Actually, it is empty. Awesome, I got the whole thing to myself. Oh, I've got something happening. Let's find a firing, eh? Well, I got to the campground. It's bloody awesome. I mean, look at that. Huge, big grass area just over there. This sort of goes on and on and on forever. That's me, obviously. The FJ's there and the Stoney Creek campers there, so that's all set up, ready to go. That awning I put on the other week, that was bloody awesome to set up. I mean, it's so easy, it was ridiculous. Now, this is a huge area. Look, you can even camp, there's a footy oval out there, it's an old oval. You can camp out there, but I don't think you're really allowed to light fires or anything like that. So that's sort of what it is. It's a little kiosky thing over there, and the facilities are over there. You might go over and have a look later on. And I really did, I reckon I scored the primo campsite. I got a fire pit all to myself. It's got seats around it, so if you come down with a big group, you could obviously sit around the fire pit and have a good time. So yeah, that's my fire pit ready to go for tonight's dinner. Got a nice steak happening, so that'd be pretty cool. All right, I'll see you later on. All right guys, here it is. This is how you pay your fee here. It's an honesty box, so be honest. $7.50 per person per night. Kids under 5 stay for free, and for that you get all this. It's beautiful amenities block. It's clean, I must say, which is pretty cool. And there's a camp kitchen here too, which we'll go over and have a look at. Okay guys, here we go. This is the camp kitchen they have out here at the campground. Let's go in and have a look, eh? Ooh, this is pretty fancy, isn't it, eh? Got a fridge and an echo, a microwave, a kettle, some sinks. Oh look, if they would give you an open fire so if the weather turns nasty, you've always got somewhere to hide, so you could obviously bring your own firewood and light a nice fire in there. This is pretty good. Some books to read. A bit of history on the wall there of what's what and who's who and who went where and what went when. So yeah, that's the camp kitchen. Pretty good. She's not bad. There's a barbecue area. So if you're just coming up for the day, you can always crack on with a barbecue there. Which is, let's see if you have to pay for the barbecues. What do you reckon? I reckon, judging by this campground, I reckon it's free. And it's free community barbecue. Cool. And just for a change, it's clean as well, which is even better. There's the rest of it. There's people down there camped right across from me, but they're miles away. Can't hear anybody out here. Well, the heat beads are on. Dinner's just about ready to go. A friend of mine gave me a steak. He says, Ed, I'll give you a steak. The guy's a wholesale butcher, you know what I mean? Exports to the world. And he says, I'll give you a little steak. You'll enjoy this steak. It's called Wagyu beef. I thought, oh yeah, Wagyu beef. It can't be that big of a steak. And he's gone, oh, you might enjoy this one. Look at that, mate. It's going to take like forever to cook. It's friggin' huge. It's like a kilo something of meat. meaty goodness. All right, I'm going to pop this on and just sit back and have a couple of jimmies and see how we go. I'll probably be eating about midnight. Dinner's done. Just resting the steak, as you can see. Got some salad, so that'll be pretty awesome. I'll probably fill up on the salad rather than the steak, I think. I don't know. See how we go. All right. I'm going to get stuck in. Well, dinner's done. It's beautiful. I think I filled up on the salad, though. Maybe I should cut back on the salad next time I have a steak that size. Well, I'm just going to sit back here, watch a bit of campfire TV, listen to some tunes, and see how we go. I'll see you in the morning. Probably got to pack up and go home. Never mind. These things happen. Hey guys and girls, well, it's the morning. Got to pack up camp and head back home. That's the worst part about camping is pack up. But never mind, we do it all the time. All right, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.